Fam, what's poppin'? Welcome to all my newcomers. How y'all doing today? I'm doing great. I look great, I feel great, and we're gonna get into this look today, okay? So it started off as a pretty good look. I had some purples, some greens, some blues, and some pinks. And I don't know what prompted me to go ahead and add silver lips, but I did, and it's bold and it's popping. Now, I don't know if I would do it again for this look, but you know, it's cute anyway. I've never done it before, and I see a lot of people with glitter lips, so I wanted to try it, and I don't know, we're gonna try it today. So yes, I hope you guys really like this look, and let's go ahead and get started. Starting out, our brows and our eyes have already been primed for this look, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Today we're using the Aurora Lights palette by BH Cosmetics, and we're going in with that deep purple. And we apply this purple, we're going to add it to the outside corners of our eyes. This will be the first color for our transitional base. This look is actually a cut crease look, so we're going to go ahead with our white concealer. We're going to apply that to the bottom base of our eyes. We're going to look up a little bit, and then we're going to cut our crease to find that perfect line. From here, we're going to switch palettes. We're going to the Festivals palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going for that magenta color. And when we add this magenta color, we're going to add this to the inside corner of our eyes where we put that white concealer previously. From here, we're going to switch palettes again, and we're going to go to our Shimmer palette by BH Cosmetics, and this time we're going to go for that true green, and we're going to apply this green to the middle of our eyeshadow build where we put that white concealer for that cut crease. From that same Shimmer palette, we're going to go for that true blue. And this time, we're going to apply that blue to the outside corners of that cut crease layer. Now that we have all our colors, that green that we put the first time really isn't doing it for me. So we're going to switch to a brighter green this time, because the darker green and that darker blue, they're too closely related, so we needed something a little bit brighter to stand out more. Same thing with that pink in our inner corners. What just wasn't doing it for me, so we went ahead with a brighter pink from that BH Cosmetics Shimmer palette, and we applied that to the inside corners. Even after we added this new pink, it still wasn't doing it for me, so we're switching to the Zulu palette, and we're going to take that matte pink and we're going to put that to the inside corners of our eyes. This will be the final pink, because this one the other one just wasn't popping the way I needed it to pop. So now we're okay with our eyeshadow build. We're going to move on to our liner. This is the basic black liquid eyeliner by LA Colors, and we're just going to do our liner the way we normally would do it. We're going to make sure to start off really thin, gradually get a little bit thicker in the middle, and then thin out again when we get towards the end. Prepping for our lashes today, we're using the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. And we're just going to apply this, again, the same way we normally do. We're going to go up a few times and we're going to go down a few times just to make sure we have a really good base for our lashes.
Speaking of lashes, the lashes we're using in this video are the Broadway Wispies. Now I really like the wispy lashes because I personally think they look a lot more natural than other ones. So anytime I can use wispies, I will. Now we're going to go in with a high definition concealer by Knick-Knack. This one is like a medium brown, and we're just going to apply this to the bottom half of our face just to cover up any blemishes that we might have. Now that we've concealed everything, we're going to go ahead with our liquid foundation, Warm Caramel. Again, this is by LA Girl. And we don't need a super hefty amount because we just went in with that concealer and we want our face to be able to breathe. So the lighter the layers, the better. Now we're going to go in with our powder foundation. We're going to go with the Warm Caramel, again by LA Girl. This is the second half of the foundation duo. Here we're going in with our contour stick, and we're just going to define the shape of our face a little bit more. So go ahead and suck in the cheeks, find that line, and then blend it out with your beauty blender. Next, we're going to go in with our blush. This is the Maybelline Fit Me blush number 55. And we're just going to apply a very, very light layer before we go in with our liquid highlight. This is the Away We Glow by NYX. And you're going to apply this to the top part of our cheekbones, the highest point. Add a hefty amount and then go ahead and blend that out. For our next highlighter, we're going in with the Sleek Strobe Dome. And we're going to basically intensify the highlight that we already had there. Lastly, we're going in with our E.L.F. Baked highlighter. This is called Apricot Glow, and I know it seems like a lot, but trust me, it'll be worth it. Lastly, for the face process, we're going in with the Shimmer palette by BH Cosmetics again, and this time we're going in for that very, very light, almost white shimmer color. And we're going to apply a little bit of highlight to our nose and to our brow bone. Lips, what to do for the lips. We're going to go in with the AOA Icey liquid lipstick, and this is that silver. We're going to go ahead and apply a couple layers of this liquid lipstick because it's super, super light. Just so we can be super, super flashy, we're going to go in with our Pressed Glitter palette by Beauty Glaze, and we're going to go for that silver glitter, and we're going to put that on top of our lips as well. But because that palette doesn't really work that well, for the lips anyway, we're going to go in with our base booster, our glitter adhesive, and then we're going to go in with the silver loose glitter, and then we're going to apply the glitter. Just so we can be super extra, you know? You know what? Just so we can be even more flashy, we're going to actually add some of that loose glitter to our tear ducts as well. So now that we finished our lips, this is the final look. I didn't really know how it would turn out, but I think it came out pretty good. Let me know what you ladies think about it in the comments below. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Support the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.